We'll guide you through how to fix the Android camera black screen problem. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying, as it then means when you try and use the camera, you're just getting a black screen, so you can't go and take a photo or video of what you want. To get started with fixing it, go and open up your settings, like so. You want to go and scroll down and go and find the option for apps and tap there. We can go and scroll down and go and find the option for camera. You can also use the search in the top right as well. In camera, you want to press force stop in the bottom right and confirm your decision to fully close it. Come down and find storage, and you can then tap clear data in the bottom left like so and go and press delete. Now try opening up the camera and hopefully the problem will be solved. If it is, then great. If it still isn't, then what you want to try doing is performing a restart. So tap and hold the side button, and you can then press restart and confirm your decision. When it starts, hopefully now the problem will be solved. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.